Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find apps and notifications. It shouldn't be that hard because it is on the third position, so let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on see all 46 apps, of course 46 in my case. Now let's tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner, and that was a misclick of course. And tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see right now, we've got the information that your device will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any saved app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And actually this is it, we do not receive any info that the device successfully reset all settings, so all we can do right now is to simply get back and be sure that the settings have been reset successfully. So as I said, actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.